and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing some painting. I moved into this apartment about 2 months ago and we are still not totally moved in, but we are getting our last piece of furniture this Saturday. We're getting a huge, light gray couch. And before that comes, I want to finish any painting DIY projects because if I get paint on my couch, I will die. I have this lovely wardrobe here. This is a laminate, so I'm not destroying the wood or painting over a really, expensive piece of wood furniture. Don't worry. We're gonna try to make it match more of the modern vibes of our apartment. Let's get started. I'm so excited. It's been such a long time since I've done something not in the kitchen. So I'm excited to get to do fun DIY for you and also for me. Please don't eat that. Don't eat it. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is take this stuff off of there. Yeah, we're using a dresser as our TV stand. I don't want your judgment. So we're gonna move all of this out of the way. Yeah, our apartment is full of boxes right now.
Many of them empty.
We love boxes.
I'm just gonna unplug everything so that we can actually move it. Okay, you are free.
She's heavy. Here is our beautiful dresser without the drawers. We are planning on painting everything black and then maybe just leaving that little piece at the bottom wood colored. So I'm going to start by painter's taping. I feel like I got really good at this last time. Oh, and I don't even need to paint there. Okay, now we get to do my favorite part, which is the painting. There. This thing does not want to open. Please let me in. That was way too hard. Why doesn't this thing spin? This paint is thin. I'm going to try it with the paintbrush because this is not correct. Oh yeah, significantly better with the paintbrush. It's starting to dry and it looks so good. I was halfway through painting the back and I just had a realization that I have all these drawers that need to be painted and have new hardware on them, so I should do that now and maybe they'll dry a little faster while I'm doing the rest. Dee-dee. Alright, so far I've painted one drawer. I'm so tired, but let's keep going. I'm absolutely covered in paint. I would say we're about 45% of the way through.
I think we might be a little bit further than that, actually. I think you're probably past the halfway mark.
Think I'm past halfway?
Yeah.
I really hope so. I get so excited to start these projects and then I just want to sleep. You know? like abstract art.
That's not true.
You just told me you didn't.
I just don't like the scariness.
I could paint like this. Oh, it's meant. Oh! Wait. You read it?
You say I love you?
Yeah. An artist's signature.
My goodness. But I haven't been out here this whole time.
It's more chaotic with you out here.
Should I go back in?
No! Please, no. Don't leave me. I'm erasing it.
Oh no.
You don't want my love.
Oh no.
This would be a lot faster if our paint roller worked. I cannot do 4 more of these. I'm so tired. Maybe I can finish tomorrow. Why do you think is that a great idea?
Maybe not.
Why?
Because then the pain will dry tomorrow instead.
But that's okay, right?
So that says no, he doesn't want to be locked away all day tomorrow.
No, come back. I'm putting a second coat on the tabletop and Ken's being very judgmental.
I'm being judgmental. I'm a little bit frightened by your techniques.
I'm an artist.
It's our only paintbrush, isn't it?
Yeah. Their stupid roller is stupid. That agrees. Am I scaring you? Oh, his little meows. So far, I have painted 4 of 6 drawers. This one's actually gotten a second coat. I've never been so tired in my life. I don't see the end to this, but I think it's gonna look really good. I still feel optimistic about that, but oh my god, this is more difficult than I was expecting. My 4 drawers and the big boy. Okay, so I've been painting for the past 2.5 hours. I think I've painted everything. I really won't know if it looks okay, I think, until tomorrow when everything's dry and I see it in the sunlight. But we're also kind of out of paint, so I really hope that everything looks okay. And I'm so excited to finish this project tomorrow, and I'm so excited to go to sleep now. Okay, so I'm back here this morning looking at everything. Everything is dry, and it actually looks really good. I'm really excited to put everything together because we're kind of in the home stretch. I think that we're ready to add the hardware, and my cat is playing. What are you doing? So with the hardware, we ordered it, and I'm not totally sure it's gonna match. We ordered ones from the same company originally, but they weren't the right size. So we had to order from a different company, and I haven't opened this yet. Brick. There it is. I don't know how to get in. Sip, sip. Almost there. Ooh, these look nice. They look like they're the right size, and I think they match, but honestly, I'm not sure. One of them is definitely like a little bit shinier than the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna get started doing this part. Hi. Do you want? Oh my god. I'm bringing my coffee with me for the final stretch. Bat is drinking water out of my other glass. Thanks, Bat. Okay, I think this is gonna look really good. I'm excited to see if this works or if I messed it up. Oh. know what to do with all these extra screws. Hold those. Wow, they could not have used more packaging for this. Everything's in its own like little individual packaging. Whoops. I'm not totally convinced I'm gonna love this yet. I really like the black. I'm glad we went with black, but Bat is sitting right next to the camera just watching me from above. Okay, one done. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to go. This is significantly easier than painting. Wow. I still don't know if I'm gonna like it. Yeah, the paint is not perfect. But I'm not perfect. So it's all adding up. Can you put him somewhere not in here? Not the cat, the door.
Oh.
What do you think?
My goodness,
Good?
I love it. Oh,
I don't know if I love these
love
yet.
them. I really like them.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna wait to make the final decision when it's all put together. But can you put him away? Because I want to have a grand reveal at the end. My cat is trying to eat my fuzzy microphone on my camera. There's probably a better way to do this, isn't there? I'll eat the screws. Like it. We are all done with the little square ones. Yes. Okay, this is always the best part. I'm gonna take the tape off and see if we got a clean line. Are you ready? Oh, I put 2 pieces. That is not the reveal I thought it was going to be. Let's keep going. It's perfect. It's beautiful. Oh, that one doesn't look as good. Don't look at it. It's fine. Okay, so next I'm gonna put the rest of the handles on, and then we'll do a grand reveal and see what we've made. Yay! Okay, so stay tuned to see our beautiful dresser.
Oh my gosh.
It looks so good.
It looks so good. Too.
Ow.
What?
That, be proud of what I did.
Laura, this looks so good. I love the thing on the bottom being still wood.
So,
Oh my gosh, so many paw
why
prints.
is he attacking me? Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my dresser transformation. I think it turned out a lot better than I was expecting, actually. So I'm very excited to use it. I think it looks really good in our space. It looks really clean and modern. I love the look. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want to see me try to make, or if I did anything horrendous. I would love to know. Anyway, thank you so much. Bye!